Why should I set up an audio system using such small speakers? This is the Garvan SA203 model, measuring 4 cm x 12 cm x 4 cm in depth. And it is the smallest speaker in our collection. This speaker is chosen when looking for a minimal aesthetic impact. It is used in a 2.1 kit. The 2.1 kit consists of 2 Garvan SA203 speakers, plus a passive WA113 subwoofer, creating a stereo system. To make it work, you just need to connect it to a very simple stereo amplifier. This speaker has an excellent size to performance ratio, but it doesn't have the same performance as the larger speakers in our catalog. And that's obvious and fair. Physics is physics. Some technical info. Inside, it houses 2 speakers with a diameter of 2.8 cm, supports 70 W RMS and 140 W of maximum. By default, it is black, but we can make it in many colors upon request. For any information or questions, write to me in the comments. Thank you. See you soon.